So I'm here tonight to make a movie about food, and it's called How to Cook in a Filthy House. So here's my kitchen. It's pretty cool. Got some neat stuff on the walls. Got some neat stuff among the trash. Here's a piece of art I'm very fond of. And I just tripped on. I have a lot of trash. It may be hard for you to imagine there's a kitchen here. Let's see. Here's the sink. And see, that's that's proof that that's a sink. That's the where you sort of prepare your food. I call it my compost heap. But there's a little piece of wood thing, and now I'm going to clean one of my pots so I can make pasta in it. So to clean a pot, you have to get, look, there's the Ajax. You have to get a paper towel, and here I've already torn a piece of paper towel so I can wash the thing here so I can meet my own minimal standards of cleanliness. So as you see, it's kind of clean. That's just old. Well, it's worn because I don't buy a lot of things. If you're going to cook pasta in your pot, you really have to get rid of all the Ajax because you don't want the Ajax being part of your pasta. I've never done that, but I imagine it would be very bad. So let's go and to the bathroom. Actually, I have 1.5 bathrooms. Oh, look, there's my living room. See, it's very nice. Here's my bathroom, my bedroom, I mean. The light went out, and I haven't, replaced the bulb. So I'm going to fill this with enough water. Look at this. See? A little bit of water in there. So let's see. I'm now going to turn on the fire. Look at the fire can. That looks kind of neat. I wonder if I can get a very artsy shot of both. Look at that. Flame everywhere. Is that cool or what? So now we go to my refrigerator. It doesn't have a light on in it, but I don't need a light. And I'm going to grab what I usually grab, which is some very nice celery. Asparagus? No, broccoli in the bag. And I'm going to go back to the bathroom. I'm going to rinse off the broccoli in here, but I don't want broccoli parts getting into the drain because I'm not very good at taking care of problems. So I'm going to wash off the broccoli in the pail. Okay, now the broccoli is in the boiling pot, but it's boiling perhaps a little too much, so I'm going to turn down the flame. And now I gotta find, here, I'm gonna put, see that? I'm gonna put that right over the vegetables. And there's the water, and it's not yet boiling. Now I've got to get rid of that water that I left in the bathroom. And it's got some little pieces of broccoli, so I'm going to put that in the toilet because I think the toilet can deal with that better than just a little drain. Oh, look, I don't know if you folks at home can tell, but the water is now boiling for the pasta. This is my favorite pasta. It's called Diceco, and there's a pretty girl dancing, and this is fusilli, which is my very favorite pasta. And here, that's the very pretty girl who was dancing. Okay, I've now put the pasta in the boiling water, and here's my little thing. It could be cleaner, but it's been worse, so I'm gonna, do the pasta. Ooh, that looks nice when it gets some light, doesn't it? Look at that. Ooh, light. Oh, let there be light. Okay, that's broccoli, and now I think I'd like to have carrots because that sort of adds something very nice see, carrots, and I get, I think I'm going to get a couple carrots. Oh, okay, see, carrots, and now I'm going to rinse the carrots off. Boys and girls, this is a real treat because I'm going to show you how I prepare carrots for the broccoli. You see, when you live alone, it's really not a problem. Okay, now we can put that on. Okay, I'm going to follow this utensil, and we're just going to, mix these around a little bit so they don't get all stuck against it. There. You see, you gotta cook right. So here I am, writing a clever comment to my friend Jennifer on Facebook, and now I think I need to go check on the food. I can smell the broccoli. And, oh, I think our pasta is ready. Okay, I've emptied the water from the pasta, and I don't know if you can see some of the steam rising, but I'm now going to fluff up the pasta. Yes, I'm going to fluff up the pasta so that a lot of the steam goes away and it gets a little drier so it doesn't stick so much over the next couple of days. Because I don't like the pasta too much when it's sticking all together, because then it's harder to separate and you can't really, ladle it and stuff. You got to go in there with your hands and with your long fingernails, which always need to be trimmed and always need to be cleaned. But this is cooking in a filthy house, so whatever. Now that the pasta's ready, I'm wondering if the veggies are steamed enough for me to eat them. So let's see. Let's just test the waters here. The carrots are kind of hard. That's a drag. So I gotta wait. Well, that's part of the adventure of cooking. Well, I've been smelling that wonderful steaming smell of veggies, and I think that it is ready. Oh yes, it is ready. I have to get a plate. Let's see. I used this last night, so this has to go on the tower of used plates. Okay. So I now have to open this new set of plates. How fun. Okay. That is now over with, and I can just let that fall to the trash. Okay. Now, I should probably turn that off. And I should probably empty it of water too. Oh yes, this is going to be very nice. Very nice indeed. And now, get some of that wonderful veggie shit going. Put the veggies right on top of the pasta. This is the olive oil I like. It's from Spain. It's called Star. Then finally, some pasta sauce. I like Classico myself. So folks, there you have it. It's a feast fit for a king. It's a feast in any house. Bon appetit.